Okay, so I have a crazy 3-year-old child who's going to probably jump into my video here. See? That's her. Hi, say hi to the world, Kerrigan. Can you say hi? Yeah, hi. See? She's cute. She drives me crazy, but she's cute. So, this week's project is to take a photo of a common object. I have one Swingline stapler. Of course, you know, I can't just make it be a photo of a stapler because I'm crazy. So, we picked up little miniature campers, tiny people, and some trees. And we have this little setup on Kerrigan's play table. So I'm going to turn it into a little Swingline staple mountain climbing scene, I think. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so to get this shot, I had to get really creative with everything. So there's a little setup, tiny people camping around Swingline stapler, somebody hiking up on top. But I had to take the other half of this play table out and clamp on a little board under here. And then I had the camera sitting on these little strips of board and the batteries to get the angle that I wanted. So it's complete improvisation because my tripod was too tall to fit and get the angle where I needed. I basically needed the lens just under the front edge of this green board. The bottom of the lens was actually lower than the board, but that gave me the angle I needed to get the final shot. So let's go work on that. Okay, so here we have it. These are a couple of the different photos I ended up with. I took this prior to an initial setup. I just put the trees in between the cracks between those green boards and did an overhead shot, but I didn't much care for that, so I kind of like these a little bit better. More the angle, it makes that stapler look more like a mountain. I kind of like it. So we're going to go with one of these two.